what's up YouTube? I'm going to be attempting to do my first burnout on this bike. So I was told, hit front brake, give it some throttle, clutch, first gear. Alright, so the bike is already somewhat warmed up. I stay like this. I like the kitty cat. Cat. Well, I just took my Yoshi pipe off for a little while. I just wanted to see how it sounded. You know, give it a little more roar to the bike. You know, but let's get this. Let's get this shit. Let's try to do this burnout. So I was told, hold down the front brake, clutch, throttle, first gear, brake, clutch. Alright, so let's see, did that work? I just want to say thank you to all my subscribers. I highly appreciate it. You know, I said I would make this video at 50 subscribers. I'm at 66 subscribers. So, you know, thank you. I appreciate it. I'll be dropping my other video out, doing my wheelies. I'm trying to learn how to do the stoppies, as you guys can see. If you guys have any suggestions or tips on how to do these stunts better, please let me know on the comments. I will highly appreciate it. Thank you. Stay tuned.